welcome back. In today's video I'm going to be decorating for fall. Fall is literally around the corner. In today's video I'm going to make my space feel extra cozy. We are going to be decorating the entryway, and then I'm also going to be decorating my bedroom. I'm going to be using darker colors, darker tones. Now I do have my little scrapbook paper. I'm going to be adding it to this photo frame right here. So this is the one that I'm gonna pick. I feel like this one matches the florals I'm gonna be using and the color of the pumpkins. So I'm just gonna cut it out and I'm gonna use this one to trace it. So I'm gonna fold it. Again. Okay, this is my entryway. It is very small, okay? I don't have much to work with, but I am actually gonna remove all these mirrors right here. They're a little funky looking anyway, so, and I'm gonna add a different one. It is a vintage one that my mom has had for years, and I pulled it out of the garage because I saw it and I'm like, this has potential. I love that mirror, and we're gonna take these off and then go from there. They're waking up from their naps. So this is my realistic entryway. I think it came out very cute and cozy. It's perfect for autumn. So now I'm gonna go decorate my bedroom. I'm gonna add some fall touches. Okay, so I made it to my bedroom and this is how my room is looking, very bare, but we're gonna add some autumn touches. Now, I might not use everything, but for sure I'm gonna be using this wall art that I got at Kirkland's. This one right here that I got at Kirkland's as well. And then I also want to be using this candlestick right here. I think it's so cute. I love this gold. And then I'm going to use this tray that I got at Target a while back. This one I actually spray painted it too because I didn't like the color. I'm also going to be using my ceramic wax warmer. I can't wait for the scent of the pumpkin spice. And oh, here it is. It's actually the gift things, but it smells like pumpkin spice. And then I also got out my candle. I didn't even finish it last year, so I want to finish it this year. And this one is in the pumpkin clove. Another cute candle. I know I should leave it in the kitchen or in the coffee bar, but I really wanted on my desk. Like, imagine me editing and then having this lit, or just having it there will be so cute. And then this is a wall art that I got at Kirkland's a while back when I like more neutral, but I really want to change it. The same thing that I did to the entryway, this photo frame, and then just adding one of these papers. And I think I'm gonna add this one just because I don't want to rip another new paper. I have this candlestick that I'm gonna use with this candle holder, and I think that's it for now. And then I have my pumpkin pillow that I'm just gonna add between these pillows. Okay, I didn't go with the candlestick with the taper candle. I ended up adding this small one right here. I think this one's more cute and cozy. Okay, so this is how it would look like at night, just giving you a little preview. I think it's cute. And this is how I decided to decorate for fall in my bedroom. I think the entryway and my bedroom came out very cute and cozy, and it does have a little bit of moodiness, especially with the candles and the lighting. And that is going to be it with today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. With all that said, have a cozy and autumn day.